think from everything that we've learned today in terms of research has really like solidified that in my brain, that I'd really find it interesting to do wider projects and do wider experiments and figure out, you know, the things and gaps in society that other people haven't really filled out yet.
We heard from a lot of people in different careers to kind of understand how like stats and statistics can be used to kind of survey a population and understand like trends within communities and that kind of thing.
We also took part in our own data collection, so we did quite a few Kahoots to see like what data we could be picked up on from our everyday lives.
One of the questions was like, oh, how much homework did we do yesterday? And in comparison to the questions that was like, oh, how long did we spend on YouTube/Netflix? It was like a huge difference.
Our first major talk was about the way of work and how work is changing from COVID to now.
She was showing us statistics, for example, women who do paid work compared to like men who do paid work, and the difference in the percentages. The statistics she put on the board, I wasn't aware of them, but now I know.
I think it's kind of really interesting to understand how social sciences kind of have a big role in the community. I think there's a big focus on STEM based, so I think kind of learning more about the social side is really interesting.
Just thought it was like this one really like financy like subject that was kind of straightforward, but like seeing people talk about like environmental economics and such was actually really interesting to find out that exists.
I think a lot of my students really enjoy studying economics and business, but they don't understand the range of opportunities they could go into after. I think they'll be able to make better informed decisions about the courses they choose. I think if they like something today, they might try and find it in the course that they apply for next year when they're looking at universities.
I know I want to work in either the finance industry or the technology industry. Data analysis is like embedded within both of those sectors. So coming here today and learning more about how data is being used, it can probably help my career path choices.
I think I actually enjoyed seeing different people's careers and understanding, okay, what did they do during A-levels, masters, bachelors, and so that's given me a bit of an understanding of what I would like to do at university.
Yeah, it's been an amazing experience and I'm very grateful to have been here and had the opportunity to be here as well.